today we have a picnic day, and Phuket today is so hot, so we here at the waterfall, Bang Pa waterfall. This one is also a gibbon rehabilitation. I don't work for a long time, so I forget the English word. But anyway, this way. Gibbon rehabilitation project. Okay. This waterfall is at prateaw, is at Halang district. Come on. สวัสดีค่ะคนมาร์กไม้บ้างนี่น้ำไม่โดนมาร์กไม้ But if you guys have pets like dogs and cats are not allowed. No alcohol as well. So we have just lunchbox and the mat. Smells so good. Did you hear? Did you hear? That's the gibbon sounds. Really? So we're gonna go up there. We're gonna go more to see if we can find any good place where we can do our picnic. Come on, Lucky. Lucky is my friend, not a dog. Anyway, come on, Lucky. Mama. More. Resort. Now it's not a lot of rain, so the water is not a lot, not too much, but it's fine. We just here for just a lunch picnic. That's a southern food. Canh nấm curry, right? I think so. We can call it Saudi curry. That's rice. Steamed rice. Oh man. She's so nice. She just got one spoon for me, and she don't need a spoon for herself. Some wildflower. Bananas. I'm walking up the hill. Wow, it's big bamboo sheet. Here, my favorite food, but it's at the national park area, so I cannot pick it. ข้างบนคนเยอะไหมคะไม่มีค่ะมีแค่2 คนอ๋อสวัสดีจ้า Wildflower cute. I think it's gonna be rain very soon. It's quite dark now. I better go back to Lucky. And if you hear, don't forget the mosquito spray. It's gonna be like lots of mosquito. Mushroom. Wow, lots of mushroom. Of broken grass. Mr. Snail. Waterfall is a part of khao prateaw non-hunting area. Totally is around 1,400 acres. And they got Bang Pai Waterfall, which is where we was. Ton Sai Waterfall is on the other side. This area also got a lot of animals like a white pig, gibbons, lots of birds, lots of beautiful birds, lizard, and many more. Also, there is a plant. This one we call palm of Halang. It was believed that it's already extinct, but somehow we find them here. This place is only one place in the world that we can find this kind of palm. It's cool, huh? In Thai, it's called palm lang khao. It's like natural umbrella. Let me know how you think about this waterfall in the comment and hit the like button or subscribe if you want to see more video about Phuket. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!